Last WLD price prediction, we were right here and they said in the next 1 or 2 days we'll have green candles or we'll go sideways. I started adding to WLD, and because Bitcoin has been dumping a lot, we weren't really affected by this dump on WLD. We're basically at even on this trade. So right here, what I'm gonna do is add a little bit more to my trade right now. And the goal for this trade would be to take profit at 14363, which is basically a pretty good trade. From here on the second trade, that will be 14%, around 12% on the first trade. Basically, now we have a green dot on the daily chart. We also have VWAP still coming up, stochastic now flying, RSI flying, and I'm very bullish on WLD. Right now, the best platform if you want to trade is actually Deep Trade. TradeX AI. will have links in the description down below if you want to claim $100,000 USDT early bird benefits, first come first served. They already have over 20 mil cumulative signups, over 18 supporting languages, and you can create your own algorithms with their Deep Trade X AI. They have a way to create prompts, create scripts, so definitely do check them out. Love you with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. See you next one. Bye.